Hey friends, welcome to Chine Coaching. Rob here with my friends Harsh and Siddharth, and they're going to talk about their experience using very student-friendly, easy and affordable personal websites to give you a special advantage in your job search to help you here in America. Don't miss this video. Alright, welcome again guys. Be sure to check out the other video that Harsh and Siddharth has done about competitions. That's another great advantage. I'm going to link that video, but here also we're talking about another important advantage that colleges don't teach you here in America, but these guys discovered, and I've seen other students use their advantage, personal websites. You're going to learn a lot, and so let's meet these guys again. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh and I come from Pune, India, and I just graduated with my Masters in Business Analytics.
Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth. I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I completed my Masters in May 2019, so from Business Analytics.
Congrats on the graduation.
Thank
it's
you so
fun
much.
Seeing you guys finish the hard work.
Thank you so much.
And, if you guys are new to Chine Coaching, we love seeing international students be successful here in America, and so for more helpful videos, be sure to subscribe and connect with us online on social media. We can continue those conversations and have guys like this help you guys out on your journey. While we were making Chine, they were just saying they wish Chine Coaching existed beforehand, but it was these kind of students a couple years ago that inspired me to make Chine Coaching, to hopefully, we can learn from their mistakes, their experiences, their wisdom, to help you guys do a better job here in America. So
Definitely.
that they reached out, they're the ones that offered this wisdom, and so yeah, let's talk about personal websites and how it's helped you and can help other students get jobs here in America.
So a personal website basically works as an extended version of your resume. You have a very finite one-page space on your resume, and you cannot add everything that you would like to on your resume. So a personal website gives you an opportunity to share with the recruiter or the hiring manager all the different projects that you have done, all the different type of skill sets that you have, different work experience that you have, which is not possible in a single page resume. So it's a visual, a colorful representation of everything, the character that you have done and extra skills that you have, and which would be helpful for your job in the future.
And a tip for you guys: you're going to work really hard in your resume. Your college is going to have workshops and sessions and coaching centers to help you with your resume. But your resume is rarely going to get you your job in America,
Right.
because all your resumes look the same.
Right.
Everyone who's an F1 international student, you're all smart. Most of you have 4.0s. You've got the same languages, projects, qualifications. And when they get this big stack of resumes for job offers, they don't know what to pick. But these websites, this is an extra step to make you stand out and give you a way to break out of the competition. It's all about standing out in America for the job search. And so this is a great idea. How has this helped you guys stand out in your job search?
So the point that you mentioned, like usually it's said that a resume is seen by a recruiter for around 30 seconds. So we have been using Google Analytics on our website, and usually a recruiter stays for around 5 to 10 minutes. So that is several hundred times higher that a recruiter is spending on your website, and they are liking what they are seeing. So one thing you have achieved, that you have got them interested on your resume, so they are spending more time, so they are liking what they are seeing, and if they would like to see more, they call you, or they can have a look at the project that you have done. So it's working much better at the start itself. So it improves your chances of getting a call from a recruiter.
Yeah, and also I feel like analytics field and data science field, they are new and they are so competitive that if you want to stand out and you have a portfolio where you can show that these are the projects that I have done in the past, you actually tell them, okay, I'm capable of doing things if you give me an opportunity. And that's how portfolio or making a website will help you. Like if someone is going on a website and seeing your projects, he'll be more confident that you are capable of doing it, because that shows the professionalism and your hard work so far.
Yeah, you're so right. In America, they don't care about what you know, they want proof.
Yeah.
Yep.
They want to see it. These websites give them the proof, and whether it's videos or projects or data or research, or, presentations, papers, things they can't see in a resume. And like you said, they look just a couple seconds at your resume, but if they spend several minutes on your website, they get so much more to know about you, and that gives you a huge advantage over all the competition. Now, one of the concerns that you guys had, and maybe other students had, is this going to take a lot of time, or is this going to be really expensive on a tight student budget? What do you guys think about that?
We had the similar conception about the website, because when you look at the polished product, the finished product, it looks like, oh man, this person has taken so much of time and it might take so much of money. But it's really actually very affordable, and it's very fast. You can build your own website in just a matter of a few days. I would say a week if you are really working on it. You just need to know a few HTML and how you can go about this is you can have a personal domain name, and I would highly recommend that, because when you have a name.surname at .com, it's more likely that the person will click on the website. You can get a domain name for as low as $12 from Google Domains. I personally recommend Google Domains because they don't send you a lot of marketing emails, and it's simple and easy rather than selling you with all different products. So $12 there, and you can find a custom template. There are a lot of free templates available, HTML templates available on the websites, and you can choose the one that matches with what you're trying to say, what your personality is trying to say, and use it to host using GitHub. GitHub is a free hosting website.
Highly recommended.
You can host using GitHub. GitHub has free website hosting capabilities, and you can link your domain name. So all it is costing you is $12, and you have a personal profile ready with all the professional links, and you can add that to your resume.
Yeah, and what he means by custom domain, that's like www.firstnamelastname.com. Like www.robadams.com.
Right.
Or that way they say, oh, this is his name, or they Google search you, to see what's up. Your website will pop up. Another, it gives you searchability online too.
Right.
But yeah, there's the Google web hosting, GitHub. I know there's some other real cheap sites out there like GoDaddy and other ones you can check out. So ask other students to see what they're using. There's even some free runs, right?
Yeah. When you're a student, you get to have access to a couple of domains, .com for 1 or 2 years for free ones. So you can use that too as well.
So check with your college. You might even get some free hosting. So try that.
Or maybe reach out to us.
Reach out to us. You can have a look at our templates at guptaharsh.com or siddharthoza.com.
Okay, so we'll link there so you guys can get an idea. Get some good inspiration. So now that you know it's affordable and easy to do, it's not too scary. How does it work? How does it help? Why does it result in getting jobs?
Okay, so to be really frank, how I use my website was if you are sending your website or your portfolio to anyone, if you're approaching a person or a professional on LinkedIn, if he's taking a look at it, he'll definitely respond to you back. Because earlier, before I created my website, I used to approach people I'm really interested in this job, would you like to take a look at my resume or not? The response I got was very minimum, very less. But as soon as I approached them with the portfolio that I have, it changed a lot, significantly, and that has helped me a lot to get interviews, to get jobs. So I would highly recommend that.
So they don't want to look at your resume, but they're really excited to look at your website portfolio.
Right.
Exactly. Portfolio, it's an easy way for a person to just click and go. If I'm sending a resume, it takes a lot of time to maybe download it. If I'm sending it across LinkedIn, they have to download it, go through it. But if I'm sending them just a link, they are just a click away to see my portfolio.
And a lot of these job applications, they have a space so that you can link your personal website or personal portfolio when you apply for hundreds of jobs. So that is one good way where you're standing out. And recruiters, they are seeing hundreds of resumes day in and day out. And if they're seeing a link to a website, they say, okay, let's check it out. And even in later stage of your interviews, usually what approach we'll follow is we send a link to the HR or the hiring manager and say that this is the work that I've done over the last 2 years, the competitions that we have participated. Have a look, it will get you a good understanding of what we have been doing, and you can understand if I would be a good fit for the role in your company. And usually they like the work, because most of the students, they have done the work, but they're not really able to showcase the words. They don't really do a justice. The images, the pictures, the codes, they really do a justice. A lot of our discussions in the interviews are about the past work that we have done. That is something that we are really confident in, because it's something that is a product of our hard work, and once they're able to see it through, it makes the jobs easier.
Oh, that's great. Be sure when you're communicating with someone here in America, whether you're sending an email or a message on LinkedIn, not only should you attach your PDF of your resume, but also send your link. Keep those together, and then also on your LinkedIn profile at the very top, you can add links. So be sure you have your PDF of your resume there. I see so many students that don't have that. You can also add your link. So at the very top of your LinkedIn, as you can see your resume, they can see that link. They're going to click it and be like, "Whoa, this guy is actually good," or he knows what he's talking about. That's going to make you stand out. And such simple little things can have a huge impact.
And like you mentioned about the resume, you can also have a custom link for your resume. So yourname.com/resume is your latest updated resume. So rather than updating and sending them new resumes every time, you can just add a link to your resume and they can see it on the go.
Yeah, make a link for that online. They don't have to download it.
Yeah, they don't have.
The easier you can make it for HR, the more likely they want to hire you. So when should people start their website?
I would suggest like if a person is coming for a fall enrollment, by end of December or January, it's good that they have a website.
Okay.
Do a couple of projects, maybe 3 or 4 projects. Put it on the website. It will definitely help you with the internships. Because what I understand is not a lot of people who are actually applying for internships will be high portfolio. So
that is a big differentiator.
That's a big differentiator that will make you stand out. Like the websites have definitely helped us a lot in getting the full times. But I feel like if I had done before, it would have helped me immensely in getting internships too.
We would have been in a totally different situation.
So use that first semester to kind of learn, grow, build it, and then have it all ready to go kind of into that first semester when you're really in the thick of that internship. So
utilize that December, January period when you are
on the break.
When you are on a break and you're not doing too much things.
There are plenty of personal websites that are available online. You can look at ours and you can look at others and try to build up something which is a combination of this thing. And once you have the formal structure ready, all you are doing is adding on new projects or adding something new that comes up. So have something ready. December, January is a good time to do it.
And also to all the students who are actually doing their internships, I would highly recommend to complete your website or maybe start thinking about it and have it ready by the end of December or January, because after that you'll start looking for full-time opportunities, and I'm pretty sure that will help you a lot in getting interviews and getting calls.
Yeah, this is good for both internships and full-time. Jobs anywhere. Awesome. Man, you guys, this was incredible. Be sure to follow the advice of Siddharth and Harsh. It's benefited them. We want it to benefit you. Thanks again for joining us at Chai and Coaching. It's been a really fun day hanging out with you guys, drinking chai. Thanks for sharing your wisdom as you have just graduated or moving on to your next stage of professional life. Best of luck. If this video has been helpful, comment below. Let us know what was a new idea that you gained. Share it with friends who are also in their job search. Help them out. And let's connect online. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if this video was helpful, because we want to make sure you guys are succeeding here in America. And cheers, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting us.
This has been fun. So we'll see you guys next time.